Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a magic tool that lets your phone screen instantly become larger. Before we start, I want to ask you some questions. Have you longed to play mobile games fluently with a big screen on your computer? Do you want to reply WhatsApp messages or view your phone content directly on your PC? All this can come true with iMyFone-Your. Yes, it is your magic. And how to screen mirror Android phone to PC using this magic tool. Let's go! First, launch iMyFone-Your. Install iMyFone-Your on your computer and launch it. Second, connect your devices. Connect your Android phone to the PC with USB cable and choose your devices. Select the transfer files for a USB connection and continue. Third, go to Developer option and enable USB debugging. Move to Setting, About Phone, Software Information. Then go to Developer option by clicking Build Number 7 times. Enable the USB debugging on your Android devices when USB is connected. Fourth, open permission to MirrorTo. Give permission to MirrorTo and allow it to show things on top. Click Turn On. iMyFone-Your APK will be auto-downloaded into your Android phone. Fifth, start to control the phone from your PC. Now, your Android phone screen will be mirrored to the PC, and you can control your Android phone with keyboard and mouse. Here we will show you an excellent PUBG gaming experience on PC. Wonderful! There was no lag. You could play ARK Survival Mobile on PC very smoothly, and you could control it with a keyboard and mouse, which greatly enhanced the experience. The game can be played either as a single player or as a multiplayer game, where multiple players can participate online at the same time. To get the most out of the game, we've rounded up different ways to play ARK Survival Evolved Mobile on PC. So keep watching to unlock more skills. Next, we will introduce the second method. You do not need to download the APK of this game. You just need to screen your phone to the computer screen. You can easily control any interface of your phone. Come and try this convenient and fun way now. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone-Your on your computer and launch the program. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the PC with a USB cable. Step 3. Select Transfer Files for a USB connection and continue. Step 4. Go to Developer option and enable USB debugging. Move to Setting, About Phone, Software Information. Then go to Developer option by clicking Build Number for 7 times. Enable the USB debugging on your Android devices when USB is connected. Step 5. Give permission to MirrorTo and allow it to show things on top. Click Turn On. Step 6. Start to control your Android phone from your PC. The method is to use BlueStacks, an Android emulator, and let's check out how to do it. Step 1. Download and install the BlueStacks app on your PC. Step 2. Register a new user or log in with your old Gmail account. Step 3. Now type ARK Mobile in the search bar of the software. Step 4. Click on the Install button to start downloading ARK Survival Evolved Android APK. Step 5. After successfully completing the installation, click on the game to launch it and start playing your favorite game on PC. This is excellent. There's no lag. You could play ARK Survival Mobile on PC very smoothly, and you can control with a keyboard and mouse, which greatly enhances the experience. Do you want to try? Just download it now. Alright, this is today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.